Welcome. In this quick guide, you'll learn how to send a photo on Telegram without making any sound, which is perfect when I don't want to disturb someone or draw attention. Let's jump right into it. First, open the Telegram app on your phone and go to the chat where you want to send the photo. This can be a private conversation or a group chat, depending on who you're sharing with. Next, you have two options. You can either take a new photo or upload one from your gallery. To take a new picture, tap the camera icon and capture your photo. If you already have one saved, tap the attachment icon and select the image from your device. Now here's the key step. Once your photo is ready, look at the send button. Instead of tapping it quickly, press and hold the send button for a moment. This will bring up additional sending options that you might not notice otherwise. When the menu appears, you'll see an option called Send Without Sound. Tap on it, that's it. Your photo will be sent silently, without triggering any notification sound on the recipient's device. It's a simple feature, but incredibly useful in situations where you want to be discreet, like late at night or during meetings. Keep in mind that this works for both photos and other types of media, so you can use the same trick whenever you need to send something quietly. Give it a try the next time you're sharing something on Telegram, and enjoy a more subtle way of communicating. Thanks for watching.